Question says integrate the following with respect to x. Okay, so this question is on integral calculus. Okay, otherwise known as integration. Okay, which is the opposite of differentiation. Okay, so we have to integrate this set of functions, and how do we go about it? So let us quickly do a quick tutorial on integration. Okay, when we have y, okay, we have the function to the power of n, okay, y equals x raised to power n, okay. Normal differentiation, we have the y dx, okay, we multiply this power by this, okay, so we have nx and we subtract 1 from it, okay. But for integration, everything we are doing here is the opposite of differentiation, okay. We want to undo the differentiation process, okay. So how do we do that? To integrate this same function, okay, I will say the integral of this with respect to x, okay. What will I do? I will add 1 to this and divide everything with the power, okay. Unlike differentiation that I multiply what I have here with the power and I subtract 1. But for integration, I have to add 1 and divide everything I'm having with the power. So for this, I have x raised to power n plus 1 that I introduce over, so the addition of this, I'll divide everything and I introduce a constant of integration. Okay, so let us apply this knowledge and integrate this set of functions. Okay, so for y equals 6x raised to power 5, okay, to integrate this, I will say the integral of 6x raised to power 5 with respect to x. So how do I integrate this? So I have here 6, which is x raised to power 5, so I'm adding 1, okay. When I add 1, I divide everything, okay, with this, so 5 plus 1, okay. So when I do that, I'll be having 6 raised to power x raised to power 6, okay, divided by, when you add this together, 5 plus 1, that gives you 6, okay. So when we simplify, we are having x raised to power 6 plus the constant of integration, okay, for the first one. Let's look at the second function. We have y equals times x raised to power 3, okay. So to integrate this function, we say 8 times x raised to power 3, okay, with respect to x. We want to integrate this with respect to x, okay. So from here now, I will say 8x raised to power 3 plus 1. I will add 1 to the power and divide everything with the power, so 3 plus 1, okay. So here I have 8x raised to power 4 over 4 plus c, okay. You have to introduce the constant of integration. So when you do that, when we simplify this, we have 4 here 1, 4 units to be 2x raised to power 4 plus c, okay. So everything we are doing here, we are doing the opposite of our normal differentiation. That is integration for you. So for the third function, we have y equals 12 raised to power x, 12 times x raised to power 3, okay. So to integrate this, I have with respect to x, so I have here 12 into x raised to power 3 plus 1, divide it by 3 plus 1, okay, plus c, which is your constant of integration. So when we do that, we have 12 into x, 12 times x raised to power 4, divided by 3 plus 1 is 4, plus c. So our final answer is, when you divide 12 by 4, you have 3x raised to power 4 plus c. So 3x raised to power 4 plus 6 is the answer to this. Thank you very much.